Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Spill the Beans is probably one of the most hilarious and unpredictable party games out there, perfect for breaking the ice and creating unforgettable moments with friends and family, where players reveal juicy secrets and hilarious truths, making every round a delightful surprise and a test of wit and courage. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Jenga Original Woodblock Game. Dare to risk it? Pull out a block, place it on top, but don't let the tower fall. This classic balancing game has been loved for generations. With simple setup and easy-to-learn rules, it offers just the right amount of challenge. It's perfect for impromptu fun with family and friends. Liven up any party with this portable game. It's great for family game night, icebreakers, and kids' birthday parties, bringing suspense, surprises, and laughs. This game includes 54 precision-crafted wooden blocks. The easy-to-use stacking sleeve helps players build the tower perfectly every time. No friends around? No problem. You can play solo, practicing your stacking skills and trying not to let it come tumbling down. This classic game makes a great holiday or birthday gift. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up. What we like? This is the original woodblock game that has been loved for generations. It's quick to set up and easy to learn, making it perfect for impromptu fun. If you're looking for a game that brings people together for laughs and suspense, this is the one for you. What people say? This game is a blast to play with friends and family. The rules are easy to learn, and the gameplay is fast-paced and engaging. The game comes with a good amount of cards, offering plenty of replayability. The artwork on the cards is also quite appealing. We had a lot of fun playing this game. It's a great icebreaker and gets everyone involved. Number 4. Hasbro Gaming Candyland Board Game. Remember the magic of Candyland? Now you can share this classic, sweet board game with a new generation of kids. Embark on a delightful journey through a land of treats. Move your gingerbread pawn along the path towards the castle, discovering sweet surprises along the way. Perfect for little ones aged 3 and up, this game is fantastic for children who are just beginning to learn. It's easy for anyone to play. With its vibrant colored cards, whimsical destinations, and charming illustrations, this game is sure to capture the imagination of young children. Looking for an Easter gift? This beloved game is a wonderful choice for boys and girls, offering hours of sweet fun. Get this special edition of a timeless classic, available exclusively on Amazon. Bring home the joy of Candyland today. What we like? This is a classic beginner game that introduces new generations to a sweet board game experience. Players race to the castle encountering delicious surprises along the way. If you have young children who are just learning to play games or haven't yet learned to read, this is an excellent choice for them. What people say? This game is a lot of fun and easy to learn. The game is very engaging and keeps everyone entertained. Great for parties and family gatherings, provides hours of laughter. Number 3. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for Kids. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, an innovative educational system designed for children aged 6 to 10. It brings learning to life through interactive play. Experience the magic of Osmo, where physical game pieces interact with digital apps on your iPad. It's a fun-filled, award-winning way to learn without needing Wi-Fi for gameplay. This system grows with your child, catering to ages 5 to 12 and beyond. The games adapt from beginner to expert levels, ensuring continuous learning and engagement. Dive into 5 exciting educational apps: Tangram for puzzle solving, Newton for creative physics challenges, Masterpiece for drawing skills, Numbers for math, and Words for spelling and vocabulary. Your kit includes the Osmo base and reflector for iPad, along with all the physical pieces for Tangram, Numbers, Words, Newton, and Masterpiece games, plus stackable storage. It's compatible with a wide range of iPads running iOS 15 or later, including various generations of iPad, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and iPad Pro models. What we like? This is an award-winning learning system that magically brings educational games to life. Children interact with physical pieces and an iPad to learn a variety of subjects. If you are looking for an engaging way to supplement your child's education with STEM concepts and are comfortable using an iPad for learning, this kit is ideal. What people say? The game is a lot of fun and easy to learn. Great for parties and family gatherings. The game mechanics are simple but engaging. Number 2. Mr. Mouth Classic Retro Toy. Get ready for some classic fun with Mr. Mouth. This retro toy is perfect for kids aged 5 to 11. Watch as the flies launch and zoom right into the frog's spinning, opening, and closing mouth. It's a blast. This game is designed to help develop your child's hand-eye coordination. It also encourages friendly competition among players. Children's faces light up with excitement as they launch flies through the air and into the frog's hungry mouth. It's incredibly engaging. The frog's head spins while its mouth opens and closes, adding to the dynamic and fun gameplay. It keeps everyone entertained. Everything you need is included and sits neatly on a single, sturdy base. This makes it easy to set up and play anywhere. What we like? This game involves launching flies into a spinning, opening, and closing frog's mouth. It's designed to encourage hand-eye coordination and friendly competition. If you have younger children aged 5 to 11 who enjoy active, slightly silly games that help develop motor skills, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and easy to learn. Great for parties and family gatherings. The cards are well designed and the gameplay is engaging. Number 1. Spill the beans, whatever after number 13. Get ready for an adventure. Whatever After is back with its 13th installment, Spill the Beans. Join us for a magical journey. In this exciting new story, a familiar fairy tale takes an unexpected turn. What happens when the characters don't follow the script? Secrets are about to come out. This tale explores the consequences of hidden truths and the courage it takes to face them. This is the 13th book in the beloved Whatever After series. If you love magic and unexpected twists, you won't want to miss this. Grab your copy of Spill the Beans today. It's a perfect read for anyone who enjoys a good story with a touch of enchantment. What we like? This is a hilarious and fast-paced party game that will have everyone in stitches. It's all about quick thinking and a bit of luck. If you're looking for a game to break the ice at your next gathering or just want a guaranteed laugh with friends, this is the game to pick. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and easy to learn. Great for parties and family gatherings. The gameplay is engaging and keeps everyone entertained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.